Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen T-roc Sport, 1.5 TSI M6F with 150 horsepower in sleek black. This estate Jeep is loaded with comfort and accessories features like air conditioning, cruise control, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Safety is covered with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Stylish touches include roof rails and privacy glass. Plus, this car is equipped with a stop and start system for efficiency. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out, contact us or visit laharts.ie for more details. Drive away in style and confidence today.